everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. If you were new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 creative ways to earn more money online. We all want ways to make more money. And there is certainly no shortage of opportunities. However, many options require a lot of time or investment upfront, which not everyone can afford. In this video, Wealthy Wisdom will show you 10 creative ways to earn more money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or starting a new business, there's something for everyone here. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, teach online classes. Teaching online classes is a great way to earn extra money. Not only do you get to share your knowledge with others, but you can also set your hours and work from home. There are a few different ways to get started, but two of the most popular platforms are TakeLessons.com and Udemy.com. TakeLessons.com is an excellent option for teaching one-on-one or small group classes. You can set your rates and schedule, and there is no commitment required. You need to create a profile and start marketing your courses. Udemy.com is a good option for creating a more comprehensive course. You'll need to put together a syllabus and video lectures, but you can make significantly more money per student than with TakeLessons.com. Plus, Udemy has a built-in audience of millions of students, so you don't have to worry about marketing your course. Teaching online classes is an excellent option if you're looking for a creative way to earn extra money. With TakeLessons.com and Udemy.com, you can get started quickly and easily reach a global audience of students. Number 2, offer to babysit pets. According to a recent study, the average pet owner in the United States spends over $1,000 per year on their furry friend. From food and toys to vet bills and grooming, the cost of owning a pet can add up quickly. However, there are ways to offset these costs and even make a profit from your animal companions. One creative way to earn extra money is to offer pet sitting services. Websites like Rover.com make connecting with potential clients in your area easy. And since most pet owners are willing to pay top dollar for quality care, pet sitting can be a lucrative side hustle. So if you're looking for a way to earn extra income, consider becoming a professional pet sitter. Number 3, create a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is a website where people can upload, view, and share videos. The site was founded in 2005 and has since become a popular way for people to connect with friends and family and share their lives with the world. In recent years, YouTube.com has also become a popular platform for earning money. By creating channels and uploading videos, YouTubers can make a significant income from advertising revenue. Additionally, many YouTubers have used the platform to launch successful careers in the entertainment industry. Therefore, creating a YouTube channel is not only a creative way to earn money, but it can also lead to a successful career in the entertainment industry. Number 4, sell your photos. You know the importance of earning money from your craft if you're a photographer. Not only does it help you to cover the costs of your equipment and supplies, but it also allows you to invest in your business and improve your skills. One great way to earn money from your photos is to sell them through Shutterstock.com. This website is the leading marketplace for stock photos, and it offers photographers a great way to reach a broad audience of potential buyers. When you sell your pictures through Shutterstock, you'll receive a commission on every sale. In addition, you'll be able to set your prices and control how your photos are used. As a result, selling your photos through Shutterstock is a great way to earn money while also gaining exposure for your work. Number 5, become a freelancer. There are several advantages to freelancing. including setting your hours, working from home, and choosing your projects. And with the recent economic downturn, more and more companies are turning to freelancers to save on costs. Upwork.com is one of the leading platforms for finding freelance work. With millions of jobs posted every year, there's sure to be something that's a good fit for your skill set. And if you're unsure where to start, Upwork offers a range of resources to help you get started, including a blog with tips and advice from successful freelancers. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn extra money, Upwork.com is worth checking out. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. Rent out your room. More and more people are looking for ways to make extra money. And one of the most popular methods is through online platforms such as Airbnb.com. By renting out a room in your home, you can earn a significant amount of money with minimal effort. The first step is to create a listing on Airbnb.com, which is free and only takes a few minutes. Be sure to include clear photos and accurate description of your space. Once your listing is live, you will receive requests from potential guests. You can set your price and schedule and confirm the booking once everything is finalized. With some planning, you can easily earn extra money by renting out your room on Airbnb.com. Number 7. Use Flippa.com. Flippa.com is a popular website that allows people to buy and sell websites. It is an excellent platform for people who want to earn money online. As it offers various websites to choose from, you can also use Flippa.com to sell your website. To list your website on Flippa.com, you must create an account and provide some basic information about your website. Once your listing is live, people can bid on your website. If you receive a high enough bid, you will be able to sell your website and earn some extra money. If you have a website you are no longer using or are interested in making some extra money, Flippa.com may be the right platform. Number 8. Complete surveys. While there are many ways to earn money online, two of the most popular and reliable platforms are Swagbucks.com and Cash Karma App. Both offer users the opportunity to earn rewards for completing various tasks, including taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. In addition, both platforms provide users with a unique referral code that can be used to earn additional rewards for every person who signs up using your code. Finally, both are free to join and use, making them an easy way to start earning extra money with minimal effort. Number 9. Offer your services. Fiverr.com is a website that helps freelancers connect with clients who need their services. The site offers a wide range of services from writing and editing to web design and marketing. Fiverr.com is an easy way to earn extra money online, and it offers an excellent opportunity for freelancers to build their client base and expand their business. The site is free to join, and there are no fees for buyers or sellers. Fiverr.com is a great way to make money online and an excellent resource for freelancers looking to expand their business. Number 10. You can also use Shopify. Shopify.com is a leading e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs to start and grow their businesses online. With Shopify, you can reach more customers, sell more products, and earn more money. Shopify provides everything you need to create a professional online store, including a customizable website, securing hosting, easy-to-use shopping cart software, and powerful marketing and advertising tools. You can also take advantage of Shopify's expert support team to get started quickly and confidently grow your business. So whether you're just starting or looking to take your business to the next level, Shopify can help you earn more money online. We hope this list has inspired you. If you're looking for creative ways to make some extra money, there are many ways to earn an income online. and we encourage you to explore as many of them as possible to find the best fit for your skills and interests. Have you tried any of these methods? We would love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.